Hey love, so today we're going to do a pretty quick makeup tutorial. I'm going to try out some new brushes from Luxie. They sent over these two Summer Daze collections. Oh my goodness, I'm really in love with these ones right here. And then there are some travel essential brushes. I really do like Luxie brushes. I've gotten them mostly in beauty boxes, so I'm excited to play with those today. We are also going to do a quick eye look. I always say that, and then we go over it. Shannon, you don't know how to do quick. I have the two new Fire and Ice palettes from Revolution. I couldn't decide which one I wanted to try first, so I asked on Instagram, and you guys, every time I check, it's 50-50. I've looked, it was like 5 and 5, 50-50, 18 and 18, 50-50, 22 and 22, 50-50. It's been 50-50 nonstop, you guys. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do my face makeup pretty quickly, and then we are going to check it if it's either or. I mean, obviously you guys are gonna know by this point which one I chose from the beginning of the video and the thumbnail. All right, we are gonna start playing with some makeup. If you are excited to see this look, then you're in the right place. Just keep watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. And more. And more, and more, and more. Let's do this. All right, I'm gonna start by contouring, bronzing. Yes, we need it. We need it. She needs it. So I'm gonna use contour brush from Luxie. It is the Luxie 512. She looks rough. She looks rough, but I've really been loving the warmer shade in this palette, which I mean, I don't really have many options left as they're almost all gone. So we are going to use this shade. This is the Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour Pro. In here. We are going to use the, hey, it's not Ravish, that's something. This is the AOA Studio Delicate Pink Blush, one of the Lumi blushes. I'm just going to use that same little brush. This brush is so soft, you guys. I think this is the first time I haven't gone too overboard with this blush. I always go way too hard with Delicate Pink. I should use a new highlight, I should. But do I want to? We'll use this. We're gonna use Nomi from ColourPop. Can't remember if this one is a little bit dark. This one's got a little bit of glitter in it. It's gonna take a setting spray. This is the nice Niacinamide from Revolution. It's just one of their essence sprays, and I'm just gonna spritz my brush. This is the AOA, I just breathed that in, F19. Just take some in the cap. It's a little bit darker, but the reflect is really good. Oh, she's pretty. Why don't I wear this? I think I just became so in love with Strobe Glow that I just got blinded. I didn't see anything else, but she pretty. I hope they still have Nomi. ColourPop discontinues everything. They pump things out way too quickly, and then they have to get rid of other stuff. And I'm like, just hold on, hold up, wait a minute, put a little love in it. Come on. Oh, she Rudolph today. I feel like it's a little bit dark when the light's reflecting. It's definitely bright, but when I'm just looking straight into the mirror, I see the pigment, and it honestly looks really close to the color of the blush, so I am going to take our white highlight. I'll do it out of this Emogination Highlight to the Moon palette. You guys, this guy apparently is like half off right now. I might need another one. I need another one. So we're just going to take this white, pop it over here, and that totally fixes my problem. I'm going to have the brightest nose. It's still a little dark, but it's a lot better than it was. Ice! Oh my gosh, I did not expect that. I guess we're doing ice, guys. Finally, 52 to 48. Shout out to whoever finally offset the balance. Oh, that blue though. Okay, I'm down. I am down. Look at this. Okay, is this blue blood? Is this blue blood? I think it's blue blood. I think I saw someone said that this was supposed to be blue blood, and then this, the fire one is supposed to be sunset from Denona. Okay, okay, okay. We are doing this. I am excited. Oh, that iceberg shade. Oh, look at it. So pretty. Let's do this. We are going to use the Luxie brushes, but I always have to like start with this brush or I just feel lost in life. This is from BH Cosmetics. I guess we're going to start with Climate. Climate, which is this guy right here. All right, I'm just going to pop this into the crease. Per usual, I'm going to take that same shade on the lower lash line just to keep things cohesive. This is the Luxie 209 large shader brush. I'm going to use that to apply Climate to the under eye. Look at this tiny little brush. This is the 205T. It's the tapered blender. I think we're gonna put crystal in the crease. I think I want to add a little bit of melt, which is this kind of the same shade but darker. So I'm gonna go in with that guy and kind of focus that out here so that it kind of fades from the darker to the lighter. I'm gonna take that same shade, the melt shade that we just used, on the lower lash line as well. Focus it mostly on the outer corner. Over here, the outer edge of the eye, bringing it up so it meets the, ooh, that went pigmented really fast. Didn't expect that. Maybe I'll do a cut crease. Let's do a cut crease. There we go. Cut crease bold wing. Yes, yes. And I'm just gonna take some of Illustrate, cut crease canvas from Revolution. Okay, so that's definitely not even. I suck at cut creases, guys. I am not Raw Beauty Christy. I wish I was. Okay, we're gonna go in with Frostbite, which is just this nudie nude, really close to my skin tone. All right, this is what we're looking at. What I'm thinking is I think I'm gonna put down a super blue liner and then tap iceberg on top of it, just because blue shadows always look so muddy on me, like no matter what I do. I think that's gonna be my best bet. The most blue liner I have is this one from Makeup Geek. I don't think I have anything else that's the right kind of blue. I'm sorry to use this because I don't think this is made anymore. This is in Cobalt, but I know that NYX has a lot of really great, bright, colorful liners, and I know that Revolution should have a blue one too. This little liner brush from Luxie, this is the 219. So we're gonna try and use this. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I'm just gonna go for it. I'm definitely gonna have to go back in with some concealer or the cut crease canvas and clean it up. Okay, so this liner on its own, not the most blue ever, but let's try Iceberg. That's a blue wing, girl. Yeah. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of Arctic, which is this dark blue right here. Not to do another blue ombre wing, but I just want to deepen it a little bit out on the outer edge. Give it a little more depth, right? Just like right here. Cool. Okay, this is what we're looking at. I am gonna take a little bit of concealer on a little angled brush and try and clean up the edge. I take a little bit of that blue liner, just run it along the outer corner out here. Brush and just smudge out. There's still a little bit of shadow of Iceberg on this brush. Then go over here, we're gonna take some of Glacier and put it on the lower inner corner. I think I'm gonna spray it because it does look a little bit flaky. It is a super metallic shade, so. Of Glacier. What I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and some lashes. Let me show you the lashes I think I'm gonna wear. I think I'm gonna just wear some of the Luellas from AOA Studio. They're real fluffy, they're real cute, they're $1. And then the mascara I'm gonna use is just the Mascara Revolution, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. I'll be right back. Ooh. All right, loves, we are back. We are going to pop on an inner corner highlight. I think we're gonna go for Cool, which of course I love a white shimmery inner corner highlight. This little beauty, this is my favorite for an inner corner highlight. This is the Luxie 341 mini round brush. That's a really good inner corner highlight. Yes, queen. I have been on a kick of using Chauffeur, I know it's not surprising, with chocolate chip cookie dough from I Heart Revolution. Not a surprise. I am going to try this new liner that I've just got in my BoxyCharm. It's Steve Laurent in Chic. It's a little bit darker than the Wet n Wild Lay Down the Mobs one I've been using. Every time I have to sniff it. All right, love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. I don't know how I feel about it. Not gonna lie, I don't know how I feel about the blue. I never like blue eyeshadow on me. I do have to say this is one of my more favorite blue eyeshadow looks that I have done. I do wish that I hadn't messed up this like blending situation out here, but it's okay. It's okay, it's something different. I do really like the like cobalt blue wing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys still want a tutorial with the fire palette as well. I know they're dropping so many new palettes that I'm gonna try and do more Revolution tutorials for you. It's been a minute. I honestly haven't been able to do a big Revolution haul lately, so I am a little bit behind, but I'm hoping that we can fix that and do more Revolution videos for you soon. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy makeup videos and makeup tutorials so I know to continue creating this content for you. There will always be makeup on my channel. I can't get away from it. You know, I live for it. But I just like to know what you guys really want to see. All right. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Bring it down. That noise. Definitely not looking my best right now. That was my phone. Like a